A Cybertruck collided with a streetlight pole at low speed, uprooting it with attached concrete while the truck sustains only superficial scratches and minor bumper cracks, emphasizing its durability. The streetlight pole was lying on the ground, indicating it has been dislodged from its original position. The truck sustained only minor damage in the front, despite the significant force required to uproot the streetlight and its concrete base. The owner praised the truck, saying, "The strongest car I've ever seen. Pulled the streetlight with the concrete all the way. Crazy," highlighting the severity of the impact. The exact reason for the impact is unknown. Luckily, no one was injured in the incident. These are the reason we say Tesla Cybertruck happens to be one of the strongest car in the world.